Hello guys, we are back with another video, and this time we have WordHero, which is a very good AI writing tool. In the screen you are currently seeing all the writing tools and templates WordHero offers. It has over 70 writing tools. You can use them for copywriting, Amazon product descriptions, analogy provider, blog conclusions, and so many other purposes. A great news is WordHero is currently available as a lifetime deal in Appsumo. So by paying only $89, you can get this tool for life. Let's see the features you will get with the Appsumo deal. So you will get access to all the future writing tools and templates, which means along with the 70 writing tools that WordHero is currently offering, you will also get all the future templates and tools that are incoming. You can discover topic ideas to write blog. You can write sales and marketing emails with this plan. You can also generate catchy captions for social media. WordHero can also be used for product title and descriptions. You can also brainstorm viral marketing and startup ideas. So WordHero has 3 plans in the Appsumo deal. The plan 1, you have to pay $89 and you can write 20,000 words per month, and for the plan 2, which costs $178, you will be able to generate 50,000 words per month. You will also get long form editor in this plan, which you do not get in plan 1. And in plan 3 you can generate unlimited words every month. You will also get the long form editor in this plan. If you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description. Today I'd like to talk about WordHero, one of the best AI writing tools, and I'm going to show you how you can write a full blog using WordHero. The first thing I want to do is go to the editor, the long form editor. There are actually 2 editors in WordHero. The editor we are currently in is the version 2, and you can also switch to editor version 1 if you click here. So let me introduce some features. These are all the writing tools. There are over 70 writing tools in WordHero. This is the keyword assistant. I'm going to talk about it later. This is history, where all of the outputs from the tools you used will appear. You can save your article from this section. You can also open a saved article from here. You can also create a new document to write a new article. To write a blog, we obviously need our title, and I'm going to type in my title, which is how to clean your car. So to write the blog, we first need an outline. You have to select the title and then click on this icon to create an outline. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, this is a very good outline and I'm going to use it. But before I start writing, I need an intro. I can use one of the writing tools to write intro. There are 6 tools that is exclusively for bloggers, and I'm going to use the blog intro. To generate an intro, I have to type in the title. I can also add some keywords and also choose the tone of my writing piece. So let's see what intro we get. Okay, so we have got 3 intros and all of them seem to be good. So if I want to add the first intro to my article, I don't have to select all and then copy or paste it. I just have to click this and the intro will be inserted into the article. Okay, so now let's write according to the outline. So why clean your car? This is our first headline, and if I want to write a paragraph on it, all I have to do is select this headline and then click on block paragraph or this rocket icon. So we are getting some really good output. And if you think this is not enough, you can also increase the paragraph by clicking on write more. Okay, this does not seem to be a good output. I'm going to generate one more by clicking on this pencil icon. Okay, let me select the last sentence and then click on write more. Okay, there we go. Now we have a very good H2. And let's now talk about the keyword assistant. Keyword assistant is a very useful tool for all those SEO writers. If you want your article to be properly SEO optimized with the right keywords, you can use this keyword assistant. For example, I'm going to write preparation gather supplies, this section, and I want some specific keywords to be in this headline. For example, the keywords are water, and then cleaner, and then cloth. So all I have to do is add keywords, and then I can write a paragraph, select the headline, and then click on any of these keywords or all the keywords, and then select all and then block paragraph. And as you can see, I have a very good paragraph, and all of these 3 keywords have been added to this paragraph. So this is how the keyword assistant works. It is very useful if you want your article to rank well in the Google SERP. Okay, so I'm going to write the next headlines. To write the next headlines, you have to follow the same procedure, such as click on the headline and then click on this rocket icon. And it will write a paragraph according to the headline you selected. Then let's move on to the next one. So there you go. Here goes another headline that we have written. And following the same way, you can write all the next paragraphs. And for conclusion, we can once again use a writing tool. All I have to do is copy our keyword and then use block conclusion and then write your keyword. And I can also choose a tone and then click on write for me. As you can see, we have 2 conclusions and both of them seem to be very good. We can add the conclusion to the article. Simply click on this insert button. So there you go. We took a very little time to write over 700 words, which is simply amazing. So make sure you use this AI writing tool to write your next blogs, and this way you can save a lot of time. Overall, I think WordHero is a great AI writer. It has over 70 writing tools that are fully ready to meet almost any kind of writing needs. The editor is also very dynamic and high quality. However, you do not get the editor in plan 1. So keep that in mind. You will have to purchase either plan 2 or plan 3 to get access to long form editor. If you are interested to try the product, make sure you check the link in the description. It will take you to WordHero official Appsumo page and you can buy from here. So that's it for today's video. Like the video if it was helpful, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.